Have you ever wondered how to quickly become a successful freelancer and actually get jobs? It's a question that's been on many minds lately, as the world of work continues to shift and evolve. Freelancing is on the rise, and for good reasons. It offers a level of flexibility that traditional 9-to-5 jobs often can't match. It gives you the chance to be your own boss, to choose the projects that interest you. And yes, it can even lead to higher earnings. Whether you're drawn to the idea of becoming a freelance data analyst, software developer, programmer, or any other profession, the opportunities are boundless. But how do you actually get started? How do you navigate this exciting, yet sometimes confusing, freelance landscape? That's what we're here to help with. In this video, we will guide you through the process of starting your freelance journey, step by step. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of freelancing. Before you dive into the freelance world, it's crucial to identify your skills. You see, the freelance arena is a vast ocean of talents and abilities, and knowing where you stand in that mix is vital. Each one of us has a unique set of skills, and it's these skills that can set you apart in the freelance market. So, are you a wizard with words, a genius with graphics, or a master of marketing? Or perhaps you are a tech guru with a knack for coding. Whatever it is, your skills are your armor and your weapon in the freelance battlefield. But how do you identify these skills? Start by making a list. Write down everything you're good at, no matter how big or small. Then, think about how these skills could be valuable to someone else. You will be surprised at how many skills you have that others are willing to pay for. Remember, your unique skills are your ticket to the freelance world. Now that you've identified your skills, it's time to showcase them. This is where a strong portfolio comes in. Think of your portfolio as a visual resume, a tangible demonstration of your skills and experience. It's your chance to make a powerful first impression and set yourself apart in the crowded freelance market. Having a portfolio is significant for a couple of reasons. First, it shows potential clients that you're competent and capable. Second, it demonstrates your style and approach to work. And third, it shows that you've been proactive in applying your skills, whether through paid work, personal projects, or volunteer efforts. So, how do you go about creating a strong portfolio? Well, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by completing personal projects that demonstrate your skills. These projects don't have to be huge undertakings, just enough to show what you're capable of. For example, if you're a freelance programmer, you might create a simple app or a piece of software. If you're a freelance writer, you might write a series of blog posts on a topic you're passionate about. These personal projects serve a dual purpose. Not only do they provide content for your portfolio, but they also allow you to practice and refine your skills. In addition to personal projects, consider doing pro bono work. Offering your services for free to a nonprofit or a local business can be a great way to gain experience and build your portfolio. Plus, it's a wonderful opportunity to give back to your community. Remember, when it comes to your portfolio, quality is far more important than quantity. It's better to have a handful of outstanding pieces than dozens of mediocre ones. Be selective about what you include and make sure each piece is a strong representation of your skills and abilities. And don't forget to keep your portfolio updated. As you gain more experience and complete more projects, regularly add to and refine your portfolio. This shows potential clients that you're active, engaged, and continually improving. A well-crafted portfolio can be the key to landing your first job. So take the time to create a portfolio that truly showcases your skills and experience. You never know, your next big freelance opportunity could be just around the corner. You've got your skills and a strong portfolio. Now where do you find work? That's where freelance platforms come into play. These are online marketplaces where freelancers and clients meet and exchange services. They are like the digital equivalent of job fairs, only here, you can connect with a global audience right from the comfort of your home. Some of the popular freelance platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru. Each of these platforms has its own unique features and offerings. For instance, Upwork is known for its wide range of job categories, while Fiverr is popular for its gig-based model, where you can sell your services as packaged deals. But how do you choose the right platform for you? That depends on your skills, your goals, and what you're comfortable with. Each platform has its pros and cons. Upwork, for example, has a wide array of job categories, but it also has a lot of competition. Fiverr, on the other hand, allows you to set your prices, but it also takes a significant cut from your earnings. So it's important to do your research. Look at the kind of jobs posted on these platforms, the competition, the fees they charge, and the support they offer. You can also look at reviews from other freelancers. This will help you get a sense of what it's like to work on these platforms. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all. What works for one freelancer might not work for another. It's about finding the platform that aligns with your skills and goals. You might even choose to join multiple platforms to broaden your reach. One word of caution: don't spread yourself too thin. It's better to focus on one or two platforms and build a strong presence there, rather than trying to be everywhere at once. In the end, it's not just about joining a platform, it's about making it work for you. It's about showcasing your skills, networking with potential clients, and consistently delivering quality work. Choosing the right platform can be a game changer in your freelance journey. So take the time to explore your options, make an informed decision, and then put in the work to succeed. Once you've found a potential job, how do you convince the client to hire you? Well, the answer lies in crafting a winning proposal. The proposal is your first point of contact with the client. It's your chance to make a strong impression, to grab their attention and make them sit up and take notice. It's more than just a simple bid for a job. It's a showcase of your skills, your experiences, and your understanding of the client's needs. So, how do you write a persuasive proposal? Here are some tips. Firstly, it's crucial to read and understand the job post. This might sound like common sense, but you'd be surprised how many freelancers skip this step. Ensure you fully comprehend what the client requires before you start writing your proposal. This will allow you to tailor your proposal to suit their specific needs. Secondly, highlight your relevant skills and experiences. Don't just list them though. Explain how these skills and experiences make you the ideal candidate for the job. Show the client why you're the best fit. For instance, if you're applying for a graphic design job, don't just say, "I'm a skilled graphic designer." Instead say, "I've designed logos for over 20 companies, including some in your industry. My designs have helped these companies increase their brand recognition." Thirdly, be professional, yet approachable. Yes, you're selling yourself and your skills, but remember that clients are people too. They want to hire someone they feel comfortable working with. So, while it's vital to showcase your skills and experiences, it's equally important to show some personality. Let your enthusiasm for the job shine through. Finally, proofread your proposal. This might seem minor, but typos and grammatical errors can make a bad impression. They can make you come across as careless. So, take a few extra minutes to review your proposal. Make sure it's polished and error-free. Remember, a proposal isn't just about getting the job, it's about building a relationship with the client. It's about showing them that you're the right person for the job, that you understand their needs, and that you can deliver what they're looking for. A compelling proposal can differentiate you from the competition. Getting your first job is a milestone, but what's next? Now that you've dipped your toes into the freelancing world, it's time to keep the momentum going. Consistency and growth will be your guiding stars on this journey. Let's talk about consistency first. In the freelancing universe, it's not just about landing that initial gig. It's about delivering high-quality work, time and time again. It's about showing up, meeting deadlines, and exceeding expectations. It's about building a reputation for reliability and excellence. Clients love to work with freelancers they can trust. So, how do you maintain a steady workflow? Keep your skills sharp, stay organized, and manage your time effectively. Remember, every project, no matter how small, is an opportunity to show your dedication and commitment. Now let's move on to growth. In the fast-paced world of freelancing, being static is not an option. There are always new skills to learn, new tools to master, and new trends to keep up with. Expanding your services can open up new opportunities and help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. So, be proactive about learning. Take online courses, attend webinars, join professional groups, and stay curious. Feedback is another crucial aspect of growth. Don't be afraid to ask for it. Constructive criticism can help you identify areas for improvement and take your work to the next level. Every job, every interaction is a chance to learn and grow. And finally, be patient. Success in freelancing doesn't happen overnight. There will be dry spells and challenging projects. There will be days when you question your decision to freelance. But remember, every successful freelancer has been there. The key is to stay focused, keep improving, and never lose sight of your goals. Remember, freelancing is a journey of growth and learning. Keep pushing and success will follow. Stay consistent, keep growing, and the freelance world will be your oyster.